Welcome everyone, welcome back to Pepe Update today. So there is something new coming for you guys, and that is going to be on 15th of November. And stay tuned and you're going to get to know what it is. I'm going to reveal the logo down the road. Maybe I'm thinking of on 10, I'm going to reveal a new logo for that thing. And it's going to be some new fresh contents out here in the channel as well. Now back into the Pepe. Bitcoin has been dominating the market, but Pepe has not done quite good, and that's not something good for the people who are trading or holding Pepe right now. Now, of course, there is a sideways movement that is getting created. October has been really crappy, honestly. So you can see that it back at 2nd of October, so it has just been like sideways. So you went down, you went up, you came down, you went up, you come down again, and you're just on a sideways movement right now. So back into Bitcoin, I want to show you that Bitcoin is doing extraordinary, and I think that November can be very good because number one, on the monthly, November closing for Bitcoin is super awesome. And I'm going to shift into the monthly time frame and show you this very quickly here. So just zooming now just a little bit right there, and also checking in on the monthly. So you can see that the monthly time frame has broken above that little bit of a flag that we have. So maybe this flag is taking Bitcoin really high, and we might actually see Bitcoin probably going all the way to even nearly $190,000 right there. Okay, so that's one thing. And secondly is that $91,000 is now in play on the cards, because if I go into the daily, the break has happened, the retest was successful, everything looks really good for Bitcoin to go to $91,000. So I think that Pepe has chances of actually moving up along with it. As you can see that this was your sideways channel right there. You broke up finally after March, and then you retested successfully, and now you're ready to really push up to that 91,000, taking this bottom to the top right there. That actually gives you a $91,000 price range. Secondly is that zooming here, today Bitcoin had a little bit of a pullback to $69,000, and all this is the retest of the EMAs, as you may see right there. And you're retesting the 10, probably even touch the 20, and also at the same time you have this one support line at the moment for Bitcoin. So you can see just like that. So we're doing good, we're doing pretty great so far. And also we're gonna go back into the Pepe and then check into Pepe right now. Just gonna type in Pepe, and there it is. We're gonna open up the charts at the moment. Now previously I've told you that Pepe had time until 31 of October to break, and unfortunately we've seen Pepe actually breaking to the downside. So it will be very crucial to see Pepe coming up and break this resistance one more time. So Bitcoin has broken its resistance, and when it moves up, there are good chances that we see Pepe from here try to bounce off and go back up and break above here and go to the upside. Now in the meanwhile, before that doesn't happen, there is a little bit of a threat to even visit this technical target. I'm not saying it's going to do that, there's no any evidence, but yes, the window is still actually opened up, because that's where you have your massive support. So if you ever drop down there, I will never be surprised at all, but I'm not saying it's going to do that. One more thing is that this one candle and the wick that it has produced and printed out, this is also another thing to really keep in mind, that this is going to be something that you can visit to take some few stop losses as well. And yeah, I'm just going to end with this note that we need to see Pepe break above and then push up from that resistance that I just showed you. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.